How to use Telegram bots for automation. So the first thing that you need to do is create your bot via bot father. So open your Telegram, and in here what you're going to do is on the search bar you're going to search for bot father. Here you can see bot father right here, tap on it, and in here tap on start. So after doing that, what you're going to do is now give your bot a name. So for that, tap on open option right here, and then in here you can see it is currently loading. You can now start tapping on create a new bot and start giving your bot a name and give it a username that must end with bot. So after doing that, bot father will instantly generate an HTTP AI token. All you need to do is simply copy that token and keep it a secret, as it acts as the master password to control your bot. So after doing that, what you're going to do is set up your automation trigger. You don't need any code for this, so you can easily do that. All you need to do is first of all create a free account on Make a Zapier. Click on create a new scenario/zap and choose your trigger app, the app causing the actual action. So for example, if you select Google Sheets, then the trigger would be new row added, or RSS feed, and the trigger would be new item published. So after doing that, the next thing that you want to do is choose Telegram bot as your action app, and then select the action that you want to happen, such as send a text message or reply. And the third step and the final step you need to do is link your token and test. When the automation platform asks for credentials, click on add connection and paste the HTTP API token you copied from bot father, and in the chat ID fields specify where you want the automated message to go. And after doing that, you can send it to yourself, or you can send it to a group or channel. And lastly, map up all of your data, and like that you'll be able to use Telegram bots for automation. And that's it.